Defense against a high angle 5 thrust when the tip of your weapon is down. Both of us have a sword. The tip of my sword is down. Now this is a training drill. I wouldn't want to have the tip of my sword down. What this drill is for is to teach you how to block when the tip of the weapon is down and how to block when the tip of the weapon is up, or how to defend yourself. Is more truth. The tip is down or the tip is up. Now, the tip of my sword is down. John's going to give me an angle 5 thrust towards the center of my chest or towards my face or my throat. As he does so, I'm stepping off the line and I'm doing an outside deflection. One more time. My tip of my weapon is down. I'm doing an outside deflection. Notice I'm using the flat edge of the sword. I'm not using the sharp edge of the sword to deflect. So from the deflect, I deflect, and from point of origin, I cut down and then finish with a thrust if necessary. One more time. Tip of the weapon is down. Outside deflection. From point of origin, cut, and if necessary, thrust.